Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly collapse or expand multiple toggles in Notion, all at once. If you love organizing your projects with toggles, but get tired of clicking each one by hand, this little trick will absolutely speed up your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to open or close several toggles simultaneously, making your Notion pages way more efficient and easy to navigate. Let's jump right in. On my screen here, I have 3 toggles set up in a Notion page. Toggles are those little drop-down sections where you can hide or reveal information. Think of them like digital folders for your notes or tasks. If you use Notion a lot, you probably end up with tons of these, especially in big databases or meeting notes. And clicking open each one gets, well, a bit repetitive, right? Here's the fast way. If you want to expand every toggle at once, say you have several sections hidden and you want to see all the details at once, simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Let me show you how that works. First, just make sure your cursor is somewhere inside the Notion page. Then, hold down Ctrl and Alt at the same time and tap the T key. Notice how, all at once, each toggle opens, revealing the content inside. It's like opening all the drawers in your desk with one button, instead of going one by one. This keyboard shortcut is a huge time saver if, for example, you're reviewing meeting notes and you want to scan every topic quickly, or if you're going through a checklist and need everything visible at once. No need to click on each little arrow, it's just one combo, and you're done. Now, what if you don't want to open all the toggles? Maybe you only want to expand 2 out of 3. Let's say there's just a couple of sections you need to focus on, like tasks for this week and next week. But you want to leave the Future Tasks section collapsed for now. Here's what you do. Just highlight the toggles you want. That means click and drag your mouse over those toggles, or if you're on a laptop, use touchpad gestures to select the portion you want. The highlighted area should turn a little gray, showing you what's selected. Next, look for the button that says Expand at the top of your selection, right above where you've just highlighted. Go ahead and click that. You'll see only the toggles you've chosen slide open, leaving the others untouched. This is perfect for when you're working with a colleague on just a couple of sections, or reviewing specific parts of a document without getting distracted by everything else. If this is your first time selecting multiple toggles, don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the selection just right. The selection feels a bit like highlighting text, but you're actually grabbing toggle blocks. Once you've got the knack, it's super smooth and you'll wonder how you managed without it. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to expand or collapse multiple toggles at once in Notion, using both the keyboard shortcut for everything and highlighting to expand just a few. These little tricks might seem simple, but they can really streamline your Notion experience, especially if you're working in big collaborative docs or managing complex layouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.